Hello everyone, I'm your art and craft teacher Rehana Merchant. Today we are going to learn 4 types of Christmas tree. First you color candy stick and these sticks like triangle and stem. Then decorate whatever material do you have at home. See second one. Again first you color the stick whatever color you like. See backside. You can see I stick candy stick big to small at same distance. Decorate now, it. Will do. Now next third one. Take 4 green chart paper and fold it in half like this. Now you stick all one on top of the other. Done. Now you will draw the Christmas tree like this on the green paper and cut it. Now you stick stamp brown color paper. Hope you guys enjoying my video. I have also Instagram page. If you want to learn, please follow my Instagram ID Rehana Merchant 7 and Rehana Art Classes. Please like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Now we will learn how to make paper stick. Take paper, fold and roll it like this. See properly. Don't forget to hit the bell icon. Please, I want your support. See, roll the paper like this. I am doing slowly. One more time I am explaining you. Slowly roll the paper. Take one wooden stick for support and then take, after you done your rolling one, then you take out your this wooden stick. Kindly comment on my YouTube post. Please, I want your support. First we'll draw like this on chart paper and cut it. Now we'll do stick this wood. Stick this from the one corner. I have 4-5 green color, so see here how I am sticking it. See, one by one you stick like this. Now flip the paper and see extra part is there. You cut this side. See, it is complete, your tree. Now we'll do stem. Decorate the tree. Like, share and subscribe. 1, 2nd, 3rd and 4th one. See, 4th one. easy to learn and easy to make. Thank you very much.